this is Renee from Epps Urban Homestead, and today I am going to talk about a few easy herbs that grow great in the desert areas. So we're going to get started here. Right here is a wormwood bush. I'm going to back up so you can kind of see it. It's pretty big now. It's about 3 feet tall in some areas. I got this at a plant show several years ago. And it was very little. It was only about 4 inches, little pot. And it's 3 feet tall now. It's been planted here for about 2 years. I cut it down last year, down to the stalk. And I harvest the leaves to make tinctures or tea. Now, wormwood does not taste good at all. It actually tastes almost poisonous, but it's very, very good for killing parasites in people and pets. So it's good to make like a tincture out of it, or extract. I like to make glycerin extracts out of this. And what I'll do is I cut it down, harvest the leaves, either dry them or cut them fresh to make the extracts. But I noticed that this plant stays green all year round. It can withstand cold weather, frost temperatures. We're in zone 8. So I'm trying to look for plants that I can grow all year round and they'll keep their coloring. They won't really die off in the winter. So wormwood is a good pick. Next to wormwood, I have southernwood, which is another medicinal herb. And it keeps its green color. It smells similar to the wormwood, but actually it has a little sweeter smell. This is a baby that I planted from a cutting from the mother here. So they grow very good from cuttings. Next I have horehound. Horehound is a very good herb for chest congestion, and it loves hot or cold. I have a few of them planted around the yard to see how they would do, and they've done great. They withstand the frost, and they can withstand like 100-degree weather, no problem. Stay green all year round. And another is sage. I have a sage back here, and I'm not sure what type this one is, but this one has really pretty round little ball flowers, the purple flowers. And then I have the other type of sage here, the ones used for cooking. Same thing, stay green all year, take hot and cold weather. And we have nettles, stinging nettles. You can find stinging nettles a lot of times in the mountains. Hey kitty. Grows very good. Hot or cold, can withstand 100-degree weather, and it can withstand frost temperatures, keeps its color all year round. Very, very good for daily infusion. Nettles has a lot of health benefits. And later on I'm going to do a video about all the different benefits of these plants that I grow. And what else do I have in this circle that I can kind of talk about? I have, this one here is Vicks plant. Vicks I grow over here usually in the summer and spring and fall, but Vicks does not like to fruit until it die off in the wintertime. So what I usually do is I keep several different plants growing in the greenhouse, or I keep them in pots and just move them around. But it grows great all year. Not all year, I'm sorry, in the spring, summer, and fall. It just can't withstand the cold temperatures. And we have parsley. Parsley is another great one to grow. I come out and put it on tacos, whatever I need to use it on. You can also make extracts out of it. Parsley has a lot of health benefits. And it stays nice and pretty year round, hot or cold weather. Alright guys, until next time, I will do a video about all the different medicinal benefits. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. And actually, you can find some of these plants on our website at eppsurbanhomestead.com. We sell little plants of all the ones that I've talked about along with others. Feel free to contact me with your questions. Thank you.